Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 3 power n plus 1 equals 96, solving for values of n that satisfy this equation. So you have a power x plus y. This equals a power x times a power y. Applying this right here, we have 3 power n times 3 power 1 equals 96. I divide this by 3 in order to isolate this, and divide this by 3. This eliminate this. Of 3 power n equals 96 divided by 3. That is 32. Right now we can apply log of 3 power n equals log 32. Remember, log a power b equals b times log a. Applying this right here, I will simply have n times log 3 equals log 32. So from here, I can isolate n by dividing this by log 3 and also dividing this by log 3. So this eliminate this. I have n equals log 32 divided by log 3. So from here, I have n equals log 32 is simply as log. This is 2 power 5. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 into 5 places. Divided by log 3. And if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. So this 5 here will come behind this. We simply have n equals 5 times log 2 divided by log 3. Now that is not all. If you have log a divided by log b is equals log a to the base of b. Applying this right here, I will simply have n equals 5 times log 2 to the base of 3. So we insert this particular value for n in this particular equation to verify. We have n equals 5 times log 2 to the base of 3. So from here, we insert this back here. We have 3 power n plus 1 equals 96. Insert this for n. It's 3 power 5 times log 2 to the base of 3 plus 1 equals 96. Remember, the power x plus y equals the power x times the power y. Applying this right here, I have 3 power 5 times log 2 to the base of 3 times 3 power 1 equals 96. So from here, this 5 come over here. I have 3 power log of 2 power 5 to the base of 3 times 3 equals 96. This is 32. 3 power log 32 to the base of 3 equals 96. A power law. B to the base of A equals B. So we have 32 here. And from here, to multiply this out, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, you have 9. And this equals this. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.